Yo, what's up? It's like Barista in the house. Let's do something. So today we're going to be making an awesome cup of coffee. So I decided to go out, and since I didn't have my morning fixed cup of coffee, I decided to carry my gadget outside, and so that I can show you guys a simple recipe on how to brew coffee when you're out or when you're traveling, when you're going to the camps and everywhere. So here we go. So I'll introduce my gadgets shortly. But before we go there, so guys, I'd like you to support me by subscribing on the link below, and thank you so much for the guys who've really supported me. I really appreciate, and I don't take it for granted. So let's do this. So I'll introduce my gadgets, some of the gadgets that you're going to be able to make coffee when you're outdoors. And here's our Aeropress as the main gadget that we're going to be making coffee. And we have our cup and some filter papers. We also have our flask with hot water. We have our grinder, of course, a bag of coffee, and not to forget a weighing scale. It's a very small weighing scale that you can carry wherever you go. So I'll measure 17 grams. Then I'll have to grind, and as I'm grinding, it will take a while, so just enjoy how the place looks like as you guys are working. Okay, so my coffee is ready. So the next thing I'll do is take my Aeropress and remove the basket where I'll be putting my filter paper so that I can be able to wet it. Let me check the temperature. Today I carried a gadget to see, just to confirm the water temperature. So my water temperature is 81, which is very good. So we have two ways of brewing Aeropress. So we have inverted method and we have traditional method, and today I'm going to be using inverted. So I'll dose my chamber. I'll dose my chamber with 17 grams of coffee. Then I'll just put my water up to number 3. So there are numbers here on your Aeropress. So I'll put my water until number 3 to allow it to just degas. And for 30 seconds, I'll put it in 10 seconds, then allowing it to degas for around 30 seconds. It's number 3, you can, or also it's around 90 ml, 90 grams. It's around 90 grams. So I'll put water up to number 3 to allow it to degas. Then after that, after 30 seconds, I'll add my water and leave it to brew for 1 minute. After my 30 seconds is done, I'll put the rest of the water, which will be 250 when it gets to the top. Then I'll have to stir again for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 warm, so that I can enjoy my warm cup of coffee. Since I'm outside, I can throw my water anywhere, so there's no water remaining. You can either use this one to put it back in your bag, or after you've brewed your coffee you can put it here. But now if you do all those things, would be your coffee will be cooling down, which is not something that you want. Yeah, so after my time is done, just take your cup, put it here, then you press gently. And your coffee is done. And here we go, a lovely cup of coffee outside the house. It has a very nice aftertaste. It has some plum flavor and also some it has a medium body, plum taste, and also the acidity is very nice. I like it. It's very nice. Enjoying my coffee outside the house.